In this video, we will see how to connect Instagram feed to your WordPress site. By adding Instagram feed, you can attract more web visitors on your site to follow your Instagram page. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Log into your WordPress site and click Plugins under Dashboard, then again Add New. Next, type and search for Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed in search box. You can see in the search result, this plugin has over 900,000 active installation, very popular plugin for InstaFeed. Let's install the plugin and then activate it. The plugin has been activated. Now let's configure the settings for the plugin and connect it to Instagram account. Under Configure section, we can click this button and connect Instagram account. Log into your Instagram account if you are already not logged into it. Next, click Continue here or click Switch account if you have more than one Instagram account, like a personal Instagram and business Instagram account. As you can see here, our Instagram account is connected with the Instagram feed plugin successfully. Based on the frequency with which you upload content to your Instagram account, you can edit the duration where Instagram feed updates new content from Instagram account. And next, click and save the changes. Next, click Customize button to customize the display layout of the Instagram photos and videos. You can edit width and height of the layout along with the background color. Next, under Layout, edit the number of photos that can be visible initially when someone visits the page, maximum being 33. Next, edit number of columns and padding around the images. And next, click and save the changes. Next, click Display Your Feed tab to get the shortcode for the Instagram feed. Next, we need to copy this shortcode and paste it directly into the page or post where we like the feed to be visible. So, next step is to add Instagram feed shortcode in WordPress page. Click Add New Page and next enter an appropriate title for the page like Connect with my Instagram feed. Next, paste the shortcode you copied here and next publish the page. We can preview the changes to view the page. You can see here we have successfully added the Instagram feed and web visitors to this page can view the content and click to follow you on Instagram. Next, we will see how to add Instagram feed in a WordPress post. You can add it in a new post or existing post. Click Add New Post under Posts to create a new post. And next, enter an appropriate title for the post. You can add text content to your post and finally paste the Instagram shortcode below. Next, publish the post and click Preview to view the post we created. You can see here we have successfully added the Instagram feed in our WordPress post. Web visitors can view it and follow you on Instagram, or you can share the post on social media sites. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Like, comment and share the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.